Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, thumma salatu wa salam ala khairil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala ahli wa ashabi wa man istana bi sunnati ila yawmiddin. Amin. We welcome you to tonight's session of our free Nahwu and Sarf class organized by Al-Madrasatul Mumtia, and we'll be starting off with Sarf today, inshallah, and we'll continue from where we stopped in our last class. So today we are looking at the book, the explanation of the book Matnul Bina, and we are looking at Al-Babul Awwal fi al-Khumasi, fi Af'al al-Khumasiyya. So the first chapter under the 5-lettered verbs, inshallah. So what we have here for the first chapter is infa'ala. Infa'ala. Infa'ala fil madi, the mudari is yanfa'ilu, and the masdar infi'al. Infi'al. Now, so we go to the explanation of our chapter. Mawzunuhu inkasara yankasiru inkisar. An example of a word under this infa'ala shape is inkasara yankasiru inkisar. Wa alamatuhu, and its signs, how you would recognize this this verb or this wazn or this shape is an yakuna madihi ala khamsati ahrufin, that its fi'l madi, that its madi form would have 5 alphabets. Ala khamsati ahrufin, it would have how many alphabets? 5 alphabets. Bi ziyadatil amzati wa nuni, with the addition of Hamza and Nun fi awalihi, at the beginning, meaning that we have our normal shape for all verbs is, or root for all verbs is Faf, Ain and Lam. So we say that infa'ala is formed by adding what? Hamzatul wasli and a Nun sukun to the beginning of what? Or before the fa'ala. So the way we have it here, fa'ala, so we add Hamzatul wasli and a Nun sukun, it becomes what? Infa'ala. So that is the sign how we recognize this shape. So when this it continues, it says wabina'uhu. What it's used for? It's used lil mutawa'ati. It is used for al mutawa'. And if you could remember, in about 2 classes before this, we discussed the topic al mutawa', how it is used, its meaning, but nonetheless we'll still take a look at it again briefly here. So the meaning of mutawa, wa ma'na al-mutawa, the meaning of mutawa is that husuli athari shay, the occurrence of the effect of an action, an ta'alluqil fi'l al-muta'addi, as a result of attaching or the connection of a fi'l al-muta'addi, a transitive verb, bi maf'ulihi, with its maf'ul, with its object. I take that again. We said that the meaning of mutawa is that the occurrence of the effect of an action. When I take an action, the effect of that action as a result of whatever relationship that exists between the transitive verb and its object. When I give the example that we have here, we would understand what I'm saying better. Kasartu zujaja. It says, Kasartu, I broke, as zujaja, the glass. So, we'll go back to the definition. Okay, before that, Fankasara dhalika zujaju. So that glass became broken. So that glass became broken. So what are we saying here? We say that mutawa is the occurrence of an action, or the occurrence of the effect, the aftermath of an action. In this instance, I broke the glass. The aftermath of that action that I took is that what? The glass should become what? Broken. So, anta al-lukil feel, as a result of the connection, the relationship of what? A transitive verb with its object. The relationship between me breaking the glass and the effect on the glass itself. If I should make an attempt to break the glass, automatically the glass will become what? Broken. So the effect of that my action is that what? The glass should become what? Broken. So me saying the glass is broken or the glass became broken is called what? Al-mutawa. So I continue with the explanation here. فَإِنَّ إِنْكِسَارُ الزُّجَاجِ, for definitely the breaking of the glass, atharun is an effect, hasola an ta'alluqil kasri is an effect, hasola that occurred, an ta'alluqil kasri alladhi huwa al-fi'l al-muta'addi, an ta'alluq as a result of what? The relationship of that breaking, alladhi huwa al-fi'l al-muta'addi, which is the transitive action that I took, which is me trying to break the glass. So that is what mutawa is all about. That's something, an action that is previously or that is stemming from transitiveness. Somebody did an action, took out an action on something, on an object. We are now reporting it without what? We are reporting it as if that action occurred itself. So fankasaro dhalika zujaj, so that glass became broken. So that is what mutawa is, and that is mostly or majorly what in fa'ala this waznu is used for. So according to the book, they say the bina of inkasa in fa'ala is what? Al mutawa. So basically or mostly, commonly, in fa'ala is used for what? Al mutawa. So that is that on that. So other examples of verbs that come under this shape, we have in qata'a. We mentioned this example in our earlier class on al mutawa. In qata'a, derived from what? Qata'a. We add hamzatul wasli and the nun sukun before it. It becomes in qata'a. So qata'a is it cuts. So in qata'a will be what? It got cut. Another example, fataha. Fataha means it opened. Fataha can also means it gives something kasra. So fataha, it gives something kasra. In fataha will be what? Sorry, fataha, it gives something fatha. So in fataha will be what? That thing takes it took fatha. Kasaro. Kasaro means to break. Kasaro also means to give something kasra. So in kasra will be something took kasra. Another example, dhamma, to give something dhamma. In dhamma, something take what? Or something took dhamma. Another example, as we have in Surah in Shikok, from shakko. Shakko. Shakko means to split something. To split something. So in shakko will be that thing splitting itself. So if you say where Allah mentioned Bismillah sama'u in shakkot, when the sky, when the heavens splits. So Allah reported the splitting of the heaven as a mutawa, that the action taking place itself. So that is that on that. So we'll continue from here in our next class. Inshallah, we ask Almighty Allah to grant us knowledge and understanding. Subhanaka Allahumma bihamdik, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun, wa salamun ala al-mursalin, walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.